Hello, in today's video, I'll show you how to increase the test sensitivity on the Pison app for your TIMEX NeuroFit Waveband 2. You can increase the sensitivity, which is great if your test sometimes doesn't discover that you have reacted to the light on the watch, but it may also increase the amount of false positives. So you just kind of need to test it out, which one works for you better. And you can go to your profile icon in the top left corner, go to the settings, and enable test sensitivity to increase it, or disable it to decrease it. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.